I went on an 8-day food trip in Bangkok, and here's one of my new favorite street food spots. This is Len Kai, or in English, playing eggs. True to its name, its dishes are perfectly paired with a fried egg. Located along Ratchathewi outside Palladium Road Shopping Mall, this food stall is open from 7 a.m. until afternoon or until supplies last. For a full breakfast meal that's freshly cooked, affordable, and clean, Len Kai is the place to be. I knew it's a real deal when I saw locals lining up at Len Kai to get their breakfast there. There's even a makeshift dining area where you can enjoy your dishes fresh from the wok, or you can have your orders for takeaway. I got the garlic chicken with rice and added fried egg, and it exceeded beyond my expectations. Sweet, savory, peppery chicken with the rice plus the egg on top made it 100 over 100. It was that good that I went back the next morning and got the minced pork with egg as add-on. This did not disappoint too. Sweet and salty side with the piping hot rice and fried egg made my morning complete. Each dish with an egg as an add-on was just 70 baht, or around 140 pesos. So when you're in Bangkok, don't miss out Len Kai. 100% would recommend. So that's it for now. Follow for more travel tips.